Do you, be yourself, and make sure that you love being yourself. It's gonna be roadblocks, it's gonna be tribulations, but always remember this is a life experience. Accept the experience, appreciate the experience, and learn how to move on from things that don't serve you well, you know, and find your journey, respect your journey, and love it.
Take me back to Georgia, back to Atlanta. Funny how present turns past. I might fly Priscilla out just for banner. So mesmerized by that. The way she moves it, I can tell that she loves me. You can't help but to touch. Smack it round a bit, then sip on some bubbly. Hope I'm not doing too much. Strange new addictions pick up on the road. Change my opinions and change on my flows. Change my approach, no more loving these that when it rains it pours. Hey, you make me feel so primal, and that's what I am. I'm just a man.
Oh my god!
Drop it,
Renee, Monica!